Okay students, today we discuss how to use the AND function in Excel. Okay, this is the AND function. The syntax is equal if and condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3 and condition for bracket close comma statement. Okay, more condition two statement. It is more condition two statements. Here we give a question. A company declare a bonus facility over an employee whose basic salary is less than 15,000 and working hour is greater than 8 and service year is greater than 5. They will find bonus, otherwise no bonus. Whose basic salary is less than 15,000 and working hour is greater than 8 and service year is greater than 5. They will find bonus, otherwise no bonus. Okay, this is the three condition and two statement. Three condition, two statement. Here it is the employee database, employee ID, employee name, designation, basic salary, working days amount, overtime amount, and TA, DA, HRA, PF, ESI, etc. Now we insert two column. This is the working hour and service year. So we right click over a cell and go to the insert option and enter a column, and again right click insert and insert a column. Okay, this is the service year and working hour. First we write working hour, then we write service year. Then we write service year. We enter the working hour. First employee 10 hour, second 8, 7, 6, 10, 10 and 11. Okay. Then service year 6, 4, 8, 6, 4, 2, 3. Now we calculate the bonus over the basic salary, working hour and service year. Equal if basic salary is less than 15,000, if bracket start and bracket start, then basic salary is less than 15,000, then second condition working hour is greater than 8, and service year is greater than 5. Bracket close, quotation start. Statement means we write bonus, quotation close, then quotation start, no bonus. Okay, this is the condition. This is the no bonus. Okay, all are no bonus because all statements I change this bonus, means this basic salary is less than 15,000, we write 10,000, so it display the bonus. Okay, next I change the 10,000 and the working hour is greater than 8, means I write 9 and it show the bonus. Okay, it depend over the condition. If all condition is satisfied, the result is true. If all condition is satisfied, the result is true. Otherwise, if one condition is satisfied, the result is 0. Now we go to the filter option. Okay. Next class we discuss about this.